Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we have a brand new 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLE SUV, and today we are going to be doing a full front PPF with Incognito from Autobahn with a lifetime warranty. Come check it out. All right, our full front includes the hood, front bumper, fenders. We're going to be doing these fender flares, the mirrors, and then we're going to be ceramic coating the exterior and the interior, as well as the wheel faces and the glass. But first, I started a little bit of disassembly. It's not a lot on this vehicle, but it is a little bit. So the first thing I did was we removed this Mercedes-Benz logo, and I've already done it, sort of. So this Mercedes-Benz logo that's in there with a couple pins, it's a pressure fit, and we do this because, and I'll have Mike overlay this after while I'm talking about something else, but there's a lot of dirt already. Even though there's only a couple hundred miles on this, there's a lot of dirt in this, and we don't want that getting into our install, and we want to hide the seams on the hood. So we remove that, and then they do have a front license plate that's screwed into the bumper. So we're going to trim down these little nubs that come out of the bumper when the dealer drills into the bumper, and then we're going to be installing film over that, and then we'll put the front license plate back on. We're going to start with our usual prep using American Detailer Garage F-Bomb in our spray canister. This is diluted 10-to-1. It's going to loosen up the dirt and the crevices. This car is pretty dirty. We've been having like some off and on rain here, so it's got your typical post-rain dirt and debris, and we don't really want that inside our film. Plus, we're prepping it for ceramic coating, and this is the best that I've found in loosening that stuff up. So we're gonna prep this with American Detailer Garage F-Bomb. Then I'm gonna foam cannon the car using American Detailer Garage Fury, which is our new pH Plus soap from them. And then we'll do some clay barring, some edge prep with a product called Acrosol that makes the edges stick on the film and reduces the chances of lifting. And then we'll get started installing the hood first.